Junior Jets. Today's mission is in the Amazon Rainforest.
The Amazon Rainforest is in South America.
So, what's the mission?
A spider monkey is lost within the rainforest. Your mission is to get the spider monkey home.
Mission accepted!
Let's go see the Amazon Rainforest. 3, 2, 1.
Chucks away! The monkey was last seen in this area. Any signs of it?
There it is! Oh, it looks lonely. Yes, spider monkeys aren't usually alone. They live in communities, usually around 20 monkeys. It's leaving! Quick, do something!
Iris, Malik, Ollie, you guide the monkey home. The rest of us will keep watch from the JJ1.
Junior Jets, go! Because the monkey is a wild animal, we need to keep our distance and guide it home.
Good idea. But how?
By coaxing it along with food. But which way do we go?
That's a red-faced spider monkey, sometimes known as the Guiana.
They live in areas north of the Amazon River. So let's head north.
Iris, wait! This is the JJ1. What's your status? Over.
We're just guiding the monkey north. Over. Copy that. Oh, wait. According to our GPS, you're not heading north. You're heading south. And over.
Oh, it's going to take ages to get the monkey home.
Not if we sail north.
Professor Rodriguez? I haven't seen you since our safari. The professor here is an expert in ecology, which means he studies living things and their environments. And, right, the mission, of course. Professor, we need to head north and quick. Say no more, my friend. You can join my guided tour. Okay, the Amazon River stretches 6,840 kilometers. So the first thing you need to do is hold on tight.
Do you hear all those monkeys? It must be the spider monkey's home.
Good luck helping the spider monkey. They are important to the ecosystem. The seeds they eat are passed through and help plants grow. Thanks, Professor. Cheerio.
A bridge! We'll be able to see where the monkeys are from there.
Iris, wait! You really need to plan this.
I'll be able to see for miles.
Don't worry, Iris. We're here. Pilot Polly, Iris is stranded and needs our help. Over.
Copy that. I have your location. We're on our way. Over.
Look, Iris! It's the spider monkey's friends! We did it! We got the spider monkey home!
And now to get you home.
You were right. I should have planned our mission properly.
Yes, if you had planned ahead, you would have known that the bridge was out of use. At least the spider monkey is home.
Junior Jets, mission complete!